YouTube fam? It is your girl TK, and how you doing? I hope you guys are having a really good day, evening, night, weekend. Hell, happy holidays, honey. Tis the season to be jolly. Well, anyhow, today I wanted to get on here and show you guys my twist or whatever. Well, look, the reason why I wanted to get online was because, for one, I just recently did a video on my flat twist. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to say, go check that video out, darling. You gotta go check it out. And before you check it out, I'm gonna ask that you look at this one. You gotta look at this one first, okay? But listen, the reason why I'm telling you to check that video out is because, for one, it's giving you an option if you're looking for a look during the holidays or hell any day. And also, it'll just let you know that that style isn't very versatile. And if you're looking for something that's more versatile, girl, try these twists out. That's all I'm gonna say. Try these twists out because, number one, it's versatile. Number two, it's going to give you an opportunity to be creative. And number three, it doesn't take a lot of time to do this style. It takes an hour and a half to do this style. It's real quick and simple. And it's also an opportunity for you to wear your natural hair during the holidays. What's better than that? That means you ain't got to try to worry about snatching the weave out. You ain't got to worry about your hair being too hot or just being in your way. You ain't got to worry about your edges not being laid the right way or being snatched out once you take the hair out. I'm just saying, okay? Okay? That's all I'm finna say. So if this style is something that you are liking, I am going to ask that you stay tuned. So first thing is first, I want you guys to know that one of the good things that you can take out of this style is that your parting does not have to be on fleek, okay? When you are doing twists and you can't see the back of your head, you don't have to worry about your parts. Like, could I get a hand clap or something? Yes, ma'am. That really helps me out because honestly, I can't see in the back of my head, but the parts don't really matter. And as you could see, my part is a little, loop-de-la, but that's okay. I'm going to still make it work. So low-key, I didn't realize how good my damn camera was because I'm telling you, it is showing all the spots, all the uneven parts. But like I said, it's cool though. It's cool though. My camera is definitely telling on me, but it's cool. But right now, what you're going to see me do is basically go in and twist my hair. But one of the things that I want you guys to know is that before I twist it, I have to go in and braid it 1/3 of the way down and then twist my hair. Because when I tell you my hair is kind of kinky and I need that additional love and affection, yes, ma'am. I'm going to give my hair that additional love and affection as you see here. So now after I have braided my hair 1/3 of the way down, what you're seeing me do is twist my hair. So yes, ma'am, that is what I'm doing. I'm twisting my hair all the way down. No problems. I mean, this is a very simple style. You will enjoy it. So at this point, I think the style is super simple. I think it's a style that you are able to complete. Hell, if I'm able to braid and twist my hair all the way down, I am more than confident that you can do it. Okay? Even with uneven parts and all, I'm sure you can do it. Okay? I know you can. You got this. Okay? So at this point, what I'm going to do is just speed the video up just a little bit and whatever. Because we got this. We can do this. So one thing that I wanted to say is that when I originally started, you saw my parts were so uneven. But look at my hair now. My hair looks so nice, so full, and the twists look great. You can barely see those uneven parts. I mean, I'm proud of myself, and I hope you guys, even if you do have uneven parts, go through with this style because it's really cute. And again, you are going to enjoy it. Alrighty, ladies and gents, what you are seeing me use now is my Jamaican Black Castor Oil. That is the Root Repair Growth Oil that I'm using right now. What you have seen me do was rub the castor oil on my scalp as well as on my edges because the Jamaican Black Castor Oil definitely helps to make your hair grow. And that is what I am looking for. I want my edges to be thicker and I want my hair to be fuller and longer. And I needed to give me all of that. I received that Jamaican Black Castor Oil and that's on period. One of the things that I forgot to tell you guys, or I must have neglected to tell you, is that I am going to be using OK's African Shea Butter on my hair. And the reason being is because I've actually used this product as a staple product for a while, but it's going to give my hair the moisture that I definitely need. And to also help with that moisture, I'm going to use my spray bottle and spritz my hair with some H2O, or what we like to call some water. And that's on period. So as I do my hair, that's what I'll be doing. Okay? Okay. So now it is time to put my She Is Bum edge control on them edges, honey. So if you haven't tried She Is Bum, I definitely recommend it. So that's what I'm going to do right now as we speak, is put that She Is Bum on. But before I get to completing it, I am going to be pulling out my edge control brush. And I don't know if I said it before, but I did purchase this from Amazon. So make sure you get you one because they are needed. So at this point, what I'm doing is just making sure that my edges are laid down exactly how I like. But again, I want you guys to see the finished result in the fullness of the back of my head, honey. You see no visible parts that look uneven. My hair looks amazing. I absolutely enjoyed it. I absolutely enjoyed the style. It's very fun and creative. Try it, and that's on period. Alrighty, YouTube fam. So this is the finished results. I hope you like them. If so, make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. And also, okay, make sure that you add me on Instagram, TK_KNOWLES01. Bye.